Hi viewers, welcome back to Pharmabook channel. Please like, share and subscribe Pharmabook. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you are watching first time my channel, please go through previous videos also. In previous videos, we are discussing about GMP, GDP, GLP guidelines and also SOP preparation. So in this video, we are discussing about regulatory authority, regulatory body and which are comes under regulatory authority and regulatory bodies. So don't waste our time. Let's get into our channel Pharmabook. Okay, see the definition of regulatory authority. It is an agency designated or otherwise recognized by a government that regulates an activity or business in public interest. It means it oversees use of public goods and regulates commercial activities, monitor conduct of stakeholders against certain set of standards prescribed by it. Regulatory body. A regulatory body is a public authority or government agency responsible for exercising autonomous authority over some areas of human activity in a regulatory or supervising capacity. It means it directs the how to perform the human activities and it drives the how to meet the regulatory authority requirements in the pharmaceutical industry. Moving to country-wise regulatory authorities names. So see the international regulatory authorities names. Number 1 ICH and number 2 WHO, number 3 WTO. ICH International Council for Harmonization, number 2 WHO World Health Organization, number 3 WTO World Trade Organization. WTO helps to trading between two nations. Country name Europe. The regulatory authority name is EMEA, European Medicine Evaluation Agency. Country name India. Regulatory authority name is CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Country name United States. Regulatory authority is US FDA, United States Food and Drug Administration. Two regulatory authorities also governed by US. Number 1 DHHS, Department of Health and Human Services, and number 2 NCCAM, National Center for Complementary and Alternate Medicine. Country name UK. Regulatory authority is MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Authority. Country name Australia. Regulatory authority is TGA, Therapeutic Goods Administration. Country name China. Regulatory authority name SFDA, State Food and Drug Administration. Country name Brazil. Regulatory authority is National Health Surveillance Agency, NHSA. Country name New Zealand. Regulatory authority name MedSafe, Medicines and Medical Device Safety Authority. Country name Japan. Regulatory authority is MHLW, Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare. Country name Nigeria. Regulatory authority is NAFDAC, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. Country name Uganda. Regulatory authority is UNCST, Uganda National Council for Science and Technology. Moving to regulatory bodies names which are governed by the Indian government. Number 1 ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Number 2 IPA, Indian Pharmaceutical Association. Number 3 DTAB, Drug Technical Advisory Board. Number 4 CDTL, Central Drug Testing Laboratory. Number 5 IPC, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Number 5, NPPA, National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. So guys, if any further clarification or doubts is there, please comment in comment section. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe Pharma Book. Thank you.